coconut coffee and coconut water. So kandu kudikam. We have reached our first destination. We have two options here, like we can do the cycling also. Yeah, people are going for it. Cycling cheyam. Otherwise we can sit on the bus and go. I don't know to ride a bicycle, so I will be sitting on the bus. Akshi is also giving a company to me. So let's see. Those who want to go on bicycle, they are leaving. I think so. Half of the bus men, half are sitting here. One benefit is namak kaatara kondu easy le bom. Kitna minute ka rideable onone 20 minutes na. So 10 to 20 minutes bicycle ride. Okay, so let's go to the first spot. This is our first destination, Hualu. Hualu now.
Bài giấy so one hand keeping the mare of dragon, a woman hand. They tried the best, they became a dragon. Revolution on the small dragon. It's like a student became a mandarin. But now they influenced by this is very special.
So this is the temple. Kind of kingdom hai na ye. एक destination हो गया and now we are on the bus. Back to the bus. Now mostly 15 मणि है, so we will lunch or the second destination. Second destination is Bamboo Boat में वो है ना. So let's see. So it's not second destination now. Lunch time. Papaya salad, green salad, gimbap, noodles and spring roll to curry. This is the rice and vegetarian soup version, topped with eggplant, seafood spring roll, deep fried fish, beef and vegetables, even fried eggs with omelets. This we have here goat and stir fried chicken, mushroom. Here we have the seafood soup, fried shrimp chips, and the same thing, spring roll, gimbap, and the fruits. So this is how we are going to go. 4 persons. Trang and breakfast. Going to the station. to enter the cave. ഇവിടെ ടൈം വേസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. വൺ നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി ക്രോസ് ചെയ്തു. നമ്മൾ അവർ കുടുങ്ങിപ്പോയത്. കാരണം തേർഡ് കേവിന്ന് ഇറങ്ങി ബോട്ട് റൈഡൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞു. ആൻഡ് നൗ വി ആർ ബാക്ക്. ഫുൾ മീനാണ് ഇവിടെ. We reached our third destination. Here we have kind of hiking. It's kind of 500 steps.
फुट मसाज, बॉडी मसाज, कुछ खिलौने लेके देना उनको।
വന്നിട്ട് പിടിക്കാം. So we are going here, the line of Dragon Mountain. Tiger cave it is. Oh. Tiger cave full अंधेरा है, बहुत अंधेरा है. सच्ची में टाइगर का केव था शायद. ഭയങ്കര ഇടിഞ്ഞ വഴിയാണ്. ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ ഇവിടെ വഴി. സോ നമ്മൾ മുകളിലെത്തി. ഇവിടെ സംഭവമാണുള്ളത് ഡ്രാഗൺ. വഴി കാണിച്ചത് എന്നാ പാടുപെട്ട വഴിയാ, സാരമില്ല. व्यू पॉइंट ഒക്കെ കണ്ടിട്ട് അപ്പം हम नीचे आ गए. अब हम going towards the bus.